Okay, here's the issue, sir. If you don't sign this ticket, then I have to take you to jail. Okay? This ticket is just a promise to appear in court.
You said it on camera. You said it on camera, so I got to. I might as well. You said it on camera.
Yeah, you have to.
Apparently, I have to. Okay, let me see
Unless
that.
you want to go to jail, it's up to you. If you want to get to work, you can just sign this ticket.
Under threat of arrest, you're willing me to sign that?
Yep.
Okay.
What would you think if a minor traffic violation suddenly turned into a tense situation, with the officer repeatedly ordering the driver out of the car and even threatening to break the window? Meanwhile, the driver insists he's done nothing wrong and keeps reminding the officer that everything is being recorded. Watch this video until the end and share your thoughts. Was the officer acting within the law, or did he go beyond his authority?
Why am I being pulled over, sir?
Step out the vehicle. You ran a red light. Step out the vehicle.
I did not run a red light. I have it on video, sir. Sir, I don't need to step out the vehicle. My hands are right here for officer safety.
He doesn't want to come out the car. Get out the car.
Sir, there's no need for all that.
Get out the car. I'm going to break this glass.
Hey, you're going to violate my rights?
No, I'm not.
You're being recorded. You're being recorded, officer.
You ran a red light and you didn't pull over. Step out of
No,
the vehicle.
I signaled. I had my hazard lights on. I clearly told you where I was going to get out. You're being recorded, officer.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car, sir. Sir.
Sir, you're being recorded.
Step out of the car.
You're being recorded, sir.
Step out of the car.
Look, I don't need it. I'm officer safety. I have no reason to be coming out of the car. Go ahead and give me my ticket and go ahead and do what you go to do.
Step out of the car.
Give me my ticket. Give me my ticket and we'll do what we gotta do.
You're gonna go to jail.
You're on videotape, sir.
Okay, that's fine. You are too. Step out.
Look, you have another video camera.
Step out of the car.
Look, I'm gonna get my ID.
No, you're not. I'm telling you to step out of the car.
For what, sir?
You ran a red light.
But that doesn't mean you had to pull me out of the vehicle, sir.
You need to step out of the car.
That doesn't necessarily mean you need to pull me out of the vehicle, sir.
Listen, buddy. You need to step out of the car.
Listen, buddy. That's not how the law works.
Yes, it is. I'm telling you to step out. I'm giving you a lawful order to step out the car.
I'm telling you that's not unlawful. That's unlawful.
No, it's not.
Because for what reason do you need to meet? For what reason?
Sir,
for what reason do you need me to step out of the vehicle?
Detective Figueroa, San Antonio Police Department. Sir,
For what reason do you need? For what reason do you need me to have to step out of the vehicle?
Do you have your driver's license?
Yes, I do.
Okay, can you hand me your driver's license?
Yes. All you gotta do is give me the ticket, do what you gotta do, and that's it.
Yeah, you need to hand it to me.
I don't have to. It says to display that.
Sir.
Sir, you're being
Your
videotaped.
driver's license. You committed a traffic violation, okay? Hand me your driver's license so we can see who you are.
Under threat of arrest, you need my ID?
Sir, yes.
Under threat of arrest. Here, under threat of arrest, yes.
Thank you.
You're being recorded, just to let you know.
I'm sorry?
You're being recorded, just to let you know.
Okay, just to let you know you were as well. Are you an Uber driver, Lyft driver?
Yes, I'm on my way to a call right now.
I can't hear you.
I'm on my way to a call right now.
Call for what?
To pick up a rider.
To pick up a rider?
I'm not answering any other questions.
Okay. Is your license valid?
Yes.
Do you have insurance on the vehicle?
I'm not answering any questions.
Okay, well, it's required by the state of Texas to have proof of insurance.
Well, if you run the plate, you can see that
you need to have an actual physical proof of insurance, either on your phone or a piece of paper. So go ahead and do me a favor.
Let me go ahead and show you.
Okay, sir, you need to sign this ticket. You got a court date of June 24th for running this red light at on Highway 90 in South County. Okay?
I'm not going to sign, sir.
You're not going to sign?
No, sir.
Okay, here's the issue, sir. If you don't sign this ticket, then I have to take you to jail. Okay? This ticket is just a promise to appear in court.
You said it on camera. You said it on camera, so I got to. I might as well. You said it on camera.
Yeah, you have to.
Apparently, I have to. Okay, let me see
Unless
that.
you want to go to jail, it's up to you. If you want to get to work, you can just sign this ticket.
Under threat of arrest, you're willing me to sign that?
Yep.
Okay.
Right here. Right there.
Yes, I got you. Oh,
Go ahead and sign right there.
Threat of arrest.
Here you go. Let me get you a copy and you're good to go, okay?
All right, thank you. Have a nice one.
Throughout this encounter, it's clear that this was far from a routine traffic stop. The driver firmly asserted his rights, while the officer kept applying pressure and even threatened arrest. What do you think about the officer's actions in this situation? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our next breakdowns.
Solve the problem here. That's all
Yeah,
I'm here for.
I understand. I understand you're doing your job, man.
Okay, can I just ask you to leave the neighborhood so we stop getting calls?
Well, no, if I did that, I'd be giving up my rights.
A man is simply sitting in his car with the AC on when suddenly the police approach, bombarding him with personal questions and demanding that he leave. Is this just responding to a neighbor's call or a clear case of disguised harassment? Watch until the very end to see the tense exchange unfold, and let us know in the comments, who do you think is right and who is wrong in this situation?
What's up?
How you doing, man?
All right.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Zach Stoll.
Zach Stoll.
Are you Lawrence?
Yeah.
Okay, bud.
Well,
You're not in trouble or anything.
I know. I'm not doing anything wrong.
What's that?
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay. Where were you evicted from?
Where was I evicted from?
Yeah. I heard you were evicted from the house yesterday at 5550, right?
That's possible.
That's possible.
Yeah. Why are you asking me these questions?
Because I've gotten several calls on you today driving through the neighborhood and harassing the neighbors around here.
Harassing neighbors. Well, I've got it all on video the whole time I've been here, so that's totally not
Okay,
true.
Lewis, that's totally fine, okay?
Okay.
I'm literally here to just talk to you to sort stuff out, okay?
Okay.
Make sure that nothing's going on, right?
Sure.
You know that you're not allowed back at 5550, correct?
I'm not there, and no, I'm not allowed on the property. But
Exactly.
yeah.
So I'm telling you, we get calls that you're back on the property, okay?
Okay.
I'm here to tell you that if you're back on that property, you'll be trespassed, you'll be taken to jail.
Yeah, I've already
You're
been
not
told
allowed
that.
to be there, right?
Yeah.
So what are you doing in the neighborhood? Let me just ask you.
I'm just sitting here
Okay, why are you sitting here?
because I can. It's a free country, and this is what I want to do.
Okay. Where do you live at now, man?
Why do you keep asking me these questions? I
Because I've
don't
got
understand.
several calls.
Yeah, well, calls or not, I'm not doing anything wrong. So you're actually harassing me.
I'm not harassing
You are harassing me.
I'm not harassing
Yeah, because I'm just sitting in my car, and if this is a free country, which it is, I'm allowed to do this right here,
Okay.
without having you come over here and asking me a bunch of personal questions
so-
that you shouldn't be doing.
Where's the, dude, just come on, dude. I'm being cool with you, right?
No, you're not.
Oh, I'm
No,
not.
no, you're not, because you're harassing me, and that's not cool, man. You know, I'm just sitting in my car with the air conditioner on.
Okay.
All
As long
right.
as you're not on that property.
I'm not on the property, bro. I'm not trying to get arrested, dude.
Okay.
You know, jail sucks.
I'm just wondering why you're hanging around the neighborhood. You're creating bigger issues than you need to.
Well,
If you just
but
left-
how is that? How is
If
that?
you just left the area, we would have no calls on you at all, and there would be no issue. You keep coming back to this neighborhood for some reason. It's like you want to start issues. You want to start these problems. You want us to come out here. That's why you're videotaping. That's why
No,
you're
I'm videotaping because I don't trust cops, and I don't trust what's going on here, man.
I'm here to solve a problem. These neighbor has an issue with you being here.
Okay.
They're worried that
Well,
you're going to go onto the property.
well, it's not even their property to even worry about. So why are they calling and worrying about it? I don't understand, dude.
Why else would you be out here? Why else would you be
To go
out
on that property isn't it?
here? Okay, well, you have no reason to be out here, dude.
Yeah, I do.
What's the reason? Why-
Because it's a free country,
So
and
you're
if this
gonna
isn't
sit right-
Nazi
you're gonna sit
Germany,
right here?
I have the right to sit right here, man,
gonna
without being harassed.
Okay, so you're going to sit right down here, right across from where everybody's telling you to leave from.
Why are they telling me to leave? What have I done?
You're creating issues by driving back and forth, man.
No.
I'm going to tell you.
All right. Well, I don't appreciate you harassing me and telling me that,
Just listen
dude.
real quick, okay?
Do you have a card?
Yeah, I do.
Can I get one when you're done?
Yeah, absolutely.
That'd be cool, man. And you're supposed to. I said that would be cool. And you're supposed to actually identify yourself with your
I
badge
already
number
did.
too.
As soon as you came up, you asked me who I was.
Yeah, but you failed to give me your badge number, and that's
My
not
badge
proper.
number is 232.
232. Okay, thank you.
232. My name is Deputy Zach Stoll.
Thank you. I haven't seen you be here before. You knew?
What's that?
I haven't seen you around here before.
I'm new to this area.
Oh, you are?
Okay.
It's cool. Good place to work.
Yeah, go for it.
It's a good place to be an officer, man.
It is.
I know. I grew up here. Been here like 30 years.
Okay. Like I said, dude, I don't know you. You don't know me, right?
Yeah, for sure.
I'm trying to get to know you.
For
Like I
sure.
said, dude, I'm trying to get to solve a problem here. That's all
Yeah,
I'm here for.
I understand. I understand you're doing your job, man.
Okay, can I just ask you to leave the neighborhood so we stop getting calls?
Well, no, if I did that, I'd be giving up my rights.
This situation clearly shows the fine line between performing a duty and infringing on personal freedom. Even if it started with a neighbor's call, the officer's approach and attitude raise serious questions. Do you think this was a justified action or an abuse of authority? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real-life breakdowns like this one.